Hi, I'm Lee Williams. I'm a topics editor at the Herald-Tribune, and I'm here with Kelly Osborn. How you doing?
I'm doing okay, considering.
Yeah. Kelly's a mother of Sheena Morris. We recently revealed some new evidence in the case, in the 10-year-old case.
Mm-hmm.
Tell us, Kelly, what happened to Sheena 10 years ago?
My daughter Sheena and Joe Genoese had gone to Anna Maria Island to ring in the new year. They had been arguing and fighting quite a bit, and Genoese was insistent on taking her there. They had spent time on the beach. They were over at the beach house for dinner and apparently watching the fireworks, and they had gone back to their hotel room at the Bridgewalk Resort, and they had gotten into an argument. Two different people that were in rooms next door made a call for domestic violence.
They called 911.
They called 911. And the Bradenton Beach police came, apparently spoke with Sheena, but they passed him in the hallway.
They just let him walk right out.
They just let him walk right out. They never even wrote a domestic violence report until my daughter's found dead in the hotel room the next day.
And she had demonstrable injuries on her from the domestic violence.
Yes, she did. And they didn't find it necessary to do anything or handle anything.
And they investigated the case and they wrote it up as a suicide.
They probably sort of investigated it.
Yeah. There were a bunch of red flags which we've written about. Recently there was some new evidence. How did that come to light for you?
Oh, it was in May of 2018. I had gotten a call from Jan Johnson.
Owner of a former crime scene investigator, world-renowned,
Yes.
owns forensic pieces.
Yes, she trains law enforcement.
All over the country.
Yes. And she had called me and she said, I need you to get to your computer and I need you to look at this crime scene photo. And I'm not really wanting to do it. I've been there too many times.
Right.
She said, look, this one last time, I just need you to take a look at this. She gives me the number of the photograph. I go to it, and I literally could have fallen to the ground. I was just absolutely shocked at what I was seeing.
Basically, the evidence showed that at some point, post-mortem, after she was dead, your daughter was seated in a wicker chair, correct?
Yes.
The measurements and the angles of the lividity patterns on her back matched the chair. Well, we wrote a couple stories about that. What would you like to see happen now? What would satisfy you and Sheena's family?
I would like Ed Brodsky to finally admit,
The state attorney,
that this was a homicide. And I want them to own up to it. I want them to take Genoese into custody, and I want him tried by a grand jury.
Okay. Thanks, Kelly.
Thank you.